Morning, everybody. Fox 4 meteorologist Evan Andrews. We continue with flash flood warnings in effect, mainly for areas right through the Metroplex, including Dallas, Tarrant County. Now, we've extended this. I just want to show you a live picture outside. Rain's still coming down, wind's still blowing out there, and the winds have been blowing up to 30 miles per hour in the gusts around the remnants of our tropical storm. They still continue to affect us. And all of this area right in the middle, from Gainesville over to Hermine, including Cook and Grayson counties, down to Tarrant County, Bosque County, Navarro County, and Dallas County, it's all under a flash flood warning. Our western counties, the rain's done for a while. Our eastern counties have been missed fairly, I would almost say totally, by this batch of rain that's come in. And the latest on the radar shows as follows. We're starting to see improvement in the trend because it's starting to get dangerous. More than 5 inches falling at the area airport in the last 24 hours, and some spots have picked up. I had a nice call from a gentleman over in Alvarado, which is northeastern parts of Johnson County. You look at 11 inches in the last 36 hours. Now, we're seeing rainfall continue at a very heavy pace, although it has let up in Tarrant County. We still have a little bit more moderate rain coming in just south of Fort Worth, but this is an area that's experienced a lot of flooding. We've had closures, road closures on I-20. We've had problems on 35 up by Louisville and Corinth with some side roads flooded, as well as the interstate around Justin Road in Louisville. That was closed southbound, so if you're traveling there. So some of the rain in Tarrant County is letting up. The rain in Dallas County continues all the way from just about Louisville through Dallas, now down to about Waxahachie and Ennis. So 45 is being impacted, 35E and I-45 as well as 635 certainly being impacted around Dallas. The very heavy rain is finally starting to move. Unfortunately, it is now moving into Collin County, so folks around Plano, Frisco, over by Allen and McKinney, you're going to start to get some pretty heavy rain, as well as Prosper and Aubrey. Had a report of some minor road closures in the Gainesville area, southeastern parts of Cook County, and then further south we go into Ellis County. Haven't had tons of reports of problems, but we do have some rainfall that's causing at least some road closures on some of the side roads. On 35 East, towards Waxahachie, Ferris, and the Palmer area, we've had some issues. Now, you're sitting there wondering how much rain fell, and it keeps adding up by the buckets. Look at some of the totals here. 8 inches of rain is anything in the pink area, and inside the pink you're starting to see, remember I just told you, I had a nice call from that gentleman over by Alvarado, which is right in this area. It pretty much holds true, 8 to 10 inches of rain. So in Johnson County there have been 10-inch reports. Same thing, 8 to 10 inches in the western parts of Hill County. We had lots of problems earlier around Whitney, although the rain's let up there. Into Ellis County it's been about 4+ inches of rain. As I said, the airport started to pick up 5 to 6 inches of rain, parts of Dallas County, into eastern parts of Denton County, and up around the Denton area we're looking at 4 to 6 inches of rain. Same thing, parts of Tarrant County around Fort Worth. So one more time on the radar, and what we're going to do is show you this radar. It looks like we're going to see the rainfall slowly begin to taper off as the afternoon goes on, but very heavy rain will still affect Collin, Dallas, maybe eastern Rockwall and eastern Kaufman County as we head through the next couple of hours. Still some rain coming up from the south, but it does not look as heavy. The flooding threat, even though we've had a lot of flooding, will slowly begin to improve in Tarrant and Johnson counties unless we get any more heavy bands of rain. There's still the possibility for more storms to pop this afternoon. I know you're thinking, could we get more? Yes, there's still the possibility later this afternoon. We're going to monitor this for you. We'll update you every half hour. 11:30 is our next update. And then at noon, we've got Fox 4 News at noon. We've got some great video to show you. A lot of flooding problems. You're going to want to stay tuned. We'll see you then.